How to remove tickets from your shopping cart on Ticketek mobile application. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove tickets from your shopping cart or on Ticketek. So to remove tickets from your shopping cart is very simple. The first step is to open the Ticketek mobile application on your device. So once you open it up, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see some events that you can go for, and then at the lower part of the screen you can see options like event, account, ticket, etc. Just go ahead and click on ticket. So after clicking on tickets, you'll be brought to your tickets page. Currently I don't have any tickets, but I've not ordered any tickets and I don't have any tickets in my shopping cart. But for you, on this page you'll see your cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. All right, so all you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on the cart icon, you'll see all of the tickets that are available in your shopping cart. Then you can find the tickets you want to remove and tap on the bin icon button next to it. Once you tap on it, a prompt will be displayed asking you to confirm the removal. Click confirm and then the tickets will be deleted and removed automatically from your cart. It's very direct and simple. Just ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.